Hi, Vadim is here. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me share with you how to add a custom picture as your Google homepage background image in Chrome. Here's the problem. I don't like the default Chrome view, and I want Chrome start page to look like MySpace. If you go to Chrome settings, you don't see the right one to change the background image. And I have an amazing image from my last trip that I would like to add to stay more productive. To actually do it, in bottom right corner, click Customize Chrome. Here, you need to select Change Themes. As you can see, my current option is Default Chrome. I can create a new image with AI, upload image, or use solid colors. Since I already have an image, I'm just gonna click Upload an image, select my image, and click Open. And now, every time I open a new tab, I get a quick reminder of what matters and why behind my work. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. If the content helped, please like, share, and subscribe. It really supports online training for everyone. And if you want to go deeper, watch this one next.